Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello. This is a new setup for me. Let me know what you think. I wanted to do something different today. We've got my two plants and we've got my baby little Millie, my picture of my little girl in the background. So cute. Let me know what you think. I don't know if this will be something that's staying or if it's just gonna go completely, or if I'll maybe change it around, but I just wanted to do something different. And with a bit of a background, I kind of feel like an actual YouTuber. Who am I? So anyway, if you want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then please keep watching. This was kindly sent to me from Too Faced. It wasn't sent to me to make this video, but I just really wanted to show you guys a tutorial with it. So this is the Too Faced Foxy Neutrals palette. How gorgeous is it? So pretty. I'm taking the shade Chimney and I'm taking a really small fluffy brush. So I'm just blending this out well above the crease. I'm just making sure this is high up towards the brow. And we're going for a rounded shape today. Now I'm taking the shade Ginger Snatched. I'm using the same brush and I'm literally just going underneath where we just placed the shade Chimney. I feel like the shade Chimney blended out to have like more of a pinkier tone than what I thought, to what it looks in the palette. Next I'm taking the shade Drummer Girl and I'm going into the crease with this, and we're just really adding some depth there now. I've just taken some of that Chimney shade and I'm literally just blending out that brown now. I'm finding with the shade Drummer Girl I'm having to really pack it on to get some depth, so I'm going to go in with the shade Lump of Coal and I'm going to go in where we put the brown and then blend this out using the shade Drummer Girl. I'm literally using this small fluffy brush and just super gently tapping into that shade because I don't want it to become too overpowering. I'm just taking some concealer and I'm just going to cut the crease halfway. So, see if I can do this on camera. I'm literally just starting in the centre, in the inner lid, and we're going to pull it out and over. Now we've cut the crease, I'm going in with the shade Cookie Butter. How cute is that name? And I'm just going to pack this on over the lid. I actually love the shade Cookie Butter. I feel like it's so pigmented, but just to finish it off, because I feel like this is going to be like a super nice kind of everyday glam, I'm going to be taking the shade Lady Bells. So this is kind of like a pressed glitter, so I'm kind of packing my brush on, swirling it around a bit to make sure that there's plenty on there, and we're just going over that gold. I feel like it's enough on its own, but I just want to jazz it up a little bit. They like match so well, them two shades. So now I'm taking the shade Drummer Girl and I'm just putting this into the outer corners. And I'm packing plenty of the product on because I feel like this shade doesn't quite come out quite as dark as it is in the palette unless you really do pack it on. I'm just blending out this shade Drummer Girl with the shade Chimney. And then I'm just going in with Cookie Butter and I'm literally just going to sweep that over the very edge. I feel like this just makes sure that everything is seamlessly blended out. So I've just glued up some lashes, so whilst we're waiting for them to dry, we're just going to smoke out the under eye. So I'm taking a super nice small petite brush and I'm dipping into Drummer Girl and I'm just going to go underneath the eye. And then I'm going to go into Lump of Coal and I'm just going to focus this on the outer edge of the eye. So this is the finished look. I've just applied some lashes and I also went on my waterline with a dark brown pencil. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think to the finished look. I really do love this palette. My maybe only one bad thing is that the shade Drummer Girl isn't quite as pigmented. It just takes a bit more product to build up the colour and the depth, but other than that it's absolutely gorgeous. So many pretty neutral colours. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will know that I love neutrals, everyday, wearable, glam kind of looks. So this palette is very me. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you all again very, very soon. Have a lovely day.